with our lovely choir in the back singing. This is the 66,000 mile range update. It is currently 73 degrees outside, and the car has charged to, come on, why are we not, there we go, 263 rated miles. Ouch. We added 223 miles. Okay, moving on to our Tesla Spy. Get to the right screen. Car believes pack capacity is 76.2 kilowatt hours. It believes we also charge to 76.5 kilowatt hours. Total lifetime discharge 29.725 megawatts. Total lifetime charge is 32.075 megawatts. Balance is all over the place. We got cells higher, cells lower. Whee! Although it looks a lot worse than it actually is. The balance of the pack is 9 millivolts, so it's staying about steady around that area. With a pack high of 4.191 and a pack low of 4.182. We did charge to 100%. It's getting hot in here because I don't have the air conditioning on. And right now, max pack temperature is 100 degrees. We saw about 110 to 115 at peak charge rates. Yeah, that was my foot. Had to get comfortable. And the pack low